So another problem with the new DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now, there was a lot of speculation before the drone come out that the batteries wouldn't fit, and we've since then found out that batteries do fit. And I'm on about the Mini 3 Pro battery fitting the Mini 4. But when you look at them both, and to be quite honest, they seem to weigh the same, and they are similar. Well, they are exactly the same, but one's lighter than the other, believe it or not. And the problems arise. Now, I did try, when I first got the drone, I thought I'd just make sure that the Mini 3 Pros fit, and it did. But what I didn't do, I didn't actually test it. I've been using the new battery, which is this one, this is the Mini 4, and what I've done, I've actually kept the sticker on it so I don't get them mixed up. Anyway, today I found out there's a problem, and what it is, it will, as soon as you put your Mini 3 Pro battery in there, it's going to come up. But guys, this is only, and I'll say again, this is only for the EU. So the UK or rest of the world, I don't know what your laws are, but in the EU, I'm in Spain, it comes up at the top and it says Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Now, it's not a plus. What they mean by that is that the Mini 3 Pro, you can have the extended version, they call it the Battery Plus. It's not the plus, but because it weighs slightly more, and we're talking grams, it recognises it as the plus. And it says, I'll say it again, the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus installed aircraft not compliant with EU regulations for CO labelled drones. Now, you can override that, but it's going to be in your flight. It could be in your flight record. So if you did get stopped by the law, technically you're breaking the law. So now, like as I said, it's for the EU only. I don't know what the rules are in the UK. So it's just something else to be aware of, guys. So I've got to go and buy 2 more of these batteries. And what it is this is the Mini 4 Pro battery. It's no different, but obviously it is. And what it is, this weighs 77.9 gram, whereas this one does weigh about 3 grams more, weighs 80.5 gram. And what it is, it takes you over the 249 gram limit. So this is where all this comes in about not compliant with the regulations. So that would also mean then that in the EU we can't even use that extended battery. So I don't know how that affects the Air 3. I don't know. But anyway, there's something else I thought I'd put out there, especially for the guys in the EU. What it's like in the UK, I don't know, but it's obviously come up. It knows where I'm based, so because it's an intelligent battery. So yeah, another problem. But anyway, not a problem really. I just got to buy 2 more extra batteries. So just to let you know. So anyway, as always, happy flying.